Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, September 27th. Time is around 6:50 GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Oanda platform. So here we are looking on at the 4-hour chart, and my take on the NASDAQ is that we made a wave 3 high here, and that we are currently working on a wave 4 to the downside. Now, I think this wave 4 is unfolding as a WXY pattern. And now, just like the other indices, the Nasdaq took out this low here. In case of the Nasdaq, the wave W low. So actually, we have enough to start to move up again, like the wave Y could be in here, the wave 4 could be in here. And this is actually what is shown in my secondary scenario. So I updated my scenarios. So first of all, I will go to the 1 hour to show you this. First of all, the scenario that you now see in green here was my secondary scenario until yesterday. But yeah, I was kind of forced to change it because this now really starts to look like an impulse. This is no longer three waves. So then this become a wave A, although I didn't like really this structure, as you know. But okay, then I would count it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with wave A ending or close to end. And then of course we did not reach this area yet, and ideally we get there. So if we take the length of our wave W, the length of our wave X, then we should go here to the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. And we did not reach this area. So if I have to come up with a path to reach this area, I would say now we are no longer doing here a WXY, but an ABC because of this structure here. And then it would mean like this is the wave A finished or close to finish. Then we go up again as a wave B. And so if the low is in, then our wave B area should be here between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. There we should go actually. Now, there might also be a scenario like in case we have a shorter wave Y. Like I will never make this my primary scenario, this shorter wave Ys, but it is actually enough to take out here the wave W, and this is what happened. So if this in case of a shorter wave Y, this could actually be counted as an A, B, C, so that we have our A, B, C here instead of here A, B, C. So that's a possibility, but then it will depend on the upside we see here. Do we go in three waves? Like if we go up in three waves, then it is corrective, and then we have the primary scenario. If we go up in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it's an impulse, and then this impulse could be the beginning of a new cycle. Be it the new cycle would then be like the wave 1 of the wave 5, which follows, which would be this wave 5. This wave 4 here should be followed by a wave 5. So then the first impulse here could be your wave one of 5. So here, yeah, two possible scenarios. They are actually, yeah, kind of both uh, equally valid, I would say. Also, the other indices like reached or took out their this low here, so they have kind of a complete correction down. The only yeah, maybe the FTSE might indicate some more downside, and therefore I prefer to make this ABC here my primary scenario. But much will depend on what we get, um, on what we get here. Actually, if this here is yeah, 3 waves or 5 waves, this will tell us a lot about where we are going now with the Nasdaq. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.